Hi guys, welcome to lecture 14 of this course. So all the previous operators we studied filter against known values, be it matching one or more values, testing for greater than or less than known values, or checking a range of values. The common theme of all those operators is that values used in the filtering are known. But filtering data that way does not always work. For example, how could you search for all products that contain the text beanbag within their product name? So we don't know the exact name of the product, but we know there is this text called beanbag in it. So how would you search for products like those? We can achieve something like that using a like operator. So this is how the SQL query for all the products containing beanbag will go. Select product name from product table where product name like in the single quotes beanbag, but beanbag will be surrounded by a percent sign. I'll tell you why. But let's do this first. Beanbag, one more percent sign, semicolon, and press enter. So what exactly is happening here? We have a select clause, column name, table name, and then this weird looking where clause. What exactly is happening here is we are using a like operator, and this here is a search pattern. So we are searching for a pattern that searches for the text beanbag in the product names column. We are using this percent sign, this percent sign here. This is called a wildcard. The percent sign is used to define wildcards both before and after the search pattern. You will learn more about the wildcards in the next lecture. A percent, just for now, just remember that percent is a substitute for 0 or more characters. So anything before beanbag and anything after beanbag will be selected here. So we have this output. So as you can see, we have beanbag here, we have beanbag here, and the beanbag here. And this is what we wanted. We wanted all the products that contain the text beanbag in it. Let's look at one more example. What if you want to select all the products whose names start with the letter R? You can make your SQL query like this. Select product name from products where product name starts with R, right? We are looking for all the products that start with the letter R. So this is how we will do that. Like in the single quotes, the product name has to start with an R and the percent sign, semicolon, press enter. So as you can see, we have two products here that all start with R. So how you will do that? What's happening here? We are using a like operator on the column name and then the search pattern. This means give me all the products with the product name that start with an R. So in the table, this won't be satisfied, this won't be satisfied, but this will be satisfied because the product name starts with an R. This won't be satisfied, this won't be satisfied, not this. Yes, this will, because the product name starts with an R, not this product, not this product. So it's pretty, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. What if you want to select all the products that do not contain the beanbag in their name? Again, if you want to select all the products that do not contain the text beanbag in their name, how would you do that? You can use something called a not keyword to select all those records. And this is how we will do that. It's pretty simple. Select product name from products table where product name not like, and we don't want the text beanbag. So in the single quotes, percent sign, beanbag, percent sign again, semicolon, press enter. So this is the output we got. So what exactly we were looking for? We were looking for all the products that do not contain the text beanbag in it. So for that, we use the not operator to achieve that in the like clause. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. And that's pretty much it as far as SQL like operator is concerned. In the next lecture, I will be covering wildcards in a slightly more detail. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.